Good afternoon, everyone. Yesterday we discussed the concept of electronegativity, or in case of electronegativity, I told you it is the concept which is applicable only for the covalent bonded molecule. Means जिन मॉलिक्यूल में कोवलेंट बॉन्ड एग्जिस्ट करते हैं वहीं पे हम इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी का कॉन्सेप्ट डिस्कस करते थे. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी क्या होती है? इट इज़ अ टेंडेंसी ऑफ एन एटम टू अट्रैक्ट द शेड पेड इलेक्ट्रॉन. कि कोवलेंट बॉन्ड के अंदर जो दो इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं उन इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ खींचने की जो पावर है उसे हम कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पोलिंग स्केल इट इज़ मैंशनड हेयर. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज़ 2.1, lithium 1.0, sodium 0.9, beryllium 1.5. How to remember this table? While moving in the first series, you have to increase just plus 0.5 after each and every successive element. 1, 1.5, then 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and 4. In the second series you have to add 0.3 each of successive element except that of chlorine where the electronegativity is 3.0. Now we are going to discuss some important applications of the electronegativity. Before this we can also discuss the trends of the electronegativity in the group and the period. In the period, as we know that when we move from left to right, then size always decreases, so chances of electronegativity increases, as we have seen in the Pauling scale table. On moving from top to bottom, as the size increases, electronegativity decreases, since the nucleus and the outermost shell electron are far from each other. Application of electronegativity in first, metallic and non-metallic character. As we know that metals are electropositive in the nature, so on moving from top to bottom, ionization energy decreases, metallic character increases, and hence electronegativity also decreases. So in case of the metal, electronegativity is low, while in case of non-metal, electronegativity is high. Second, electronegativity also distinguishes polar and non-polar bonds. If we consider the example of hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen and nitrogen, all these are non-polar molecules, since chlorine and chlorine both are possessing same electronegativity as that of hydrogen 2.1 and 2.1. So no one can attract these two electrons towards themselves, so molecule will remain non-polar. While if we discuss the case of HCl, here the electronegativity of chlorine is 3.0, while electronegativity of hydrogen, अगर हम यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी की बात करते हैं तो दिस इज 2.1, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी 2.1 रहेगी यहाँ पे. सो क्लोरीन विल अट्रैक्ट इट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, दस इलेक्ट्रॉन टुवार्ड्स इटसेल्फ, सो इट विल बिहेव डेल्टा नेगेटिव एंड दैट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज डेल्टा पॉजिटिव. सो बिकॉज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस molecule become polar. Next is the difference in electronegativity and their partial ionic character. As the electronegativity increases, partial ionic character increases. Hence, more the molecule in a particular molecule, more is the difference in electronegativity, more polarity increases, and hence ionic character also increases, as here mentioned in this table as we are moving from left to right.